All right, we're doing box of 2016 Top Strata Baseball. You've got 2 hits in here, 1 autograph card, 1 relic, and then every other box you've got the relic is actually an auto. So we 2 boxes ago pulled probably the nicest box I've pulled out of Strata. So we had a Chipper Jones number to 50 auto, and then we had a sick Ichiro jersey patch auto number to 25 that probably books for probably about $700-800. So really nice card. So let's see if we can pull something huge out of Top Strata. So here we go. We've got Andrew B with the Cubs. Antonio P had the Diamondbacks. Didn't get payment from you on that. John P with the Mets. Lee C, you've got the Cincinnati Reds. Michael A with the Rangers. Pat F, you've got the Red Sox, Indians, Dodgers, Pirates, and Mariners. Zachary, you've got your Giants. And then Thomas M, you've got everybody else. You've got the Cardinals, the Braves, the Orioles, the White Sox, the Rockies, the Tigers, the Astros, the Royals, the Angels, the Marlins, the Brewers, the Twins, the Yankees, the A's, the Phillies, the Blue Jays, and the Nationals. So appreciate you grabbing all those teams, Thomas. And that's going to do it. Here we go. About halfway through this case. All right, here we go. First up, got a nice one here about Francisco Lindor. Nice clear auto there. Don't see any numbering on that one. Nice Indians hit. All right, and then the second one's going to be a relic. It's a nice one, Miguel Cabrera. Going to the Tigers, and I love, in case you don't know anything about Strata, they include this little sticker on there. You can actually go online, and you can see what game that jersey piece was used in. No numbering on that one either. All right, so some pretty nice names in that. Nice Miguel Cabrera relic, and then Francisco Lindor auto. So that'll do it for Strata. We'll get those cards mailed out to you guys tomorrow. And another box coming at you next weekend. So it's already on eBay now, in Saturday, and we will break it on Sunday.